Hello everyone and welcome back to another cooking video. Today we are going to make brownies. And yeah, I wanted to thank you all guys for all the support. I mean, we jumped for 159 subscribers to 167 subscribers. That's crazy. Thank you so much. Now let's get back to the video. Well, I'm going to start measuring all the ingredients, so I will be back in a second. Okay, I measured all the ingredients, and all the accurate measurements for the ingredients will be in the description below, so you don't have to worry about that. But first, let's mix the sugar, vanilla sugar, and the eggs together. Now first we are going to add the sugar, vanilla sugar, the 3 eggs, and now mix everything together. And I recommend you using a hand mixer or a stand mixer. Don't do it everything by hand. I did it with just the hand because I thought if you do it just only with hands and dedication, the product might be better, and yeah, it will, but with what cost? With a bunch of muscle pain. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I mean, when you want, you can do it all by hand. In the end, you can choose whatever you want. Next, you want to melt the butter a little bit on a water bath, and then add slowly the dark chocolate to the butter. And then let the chocolate and the butter dissolve very smoothly together by stirring it gently over and over. And when everything is melted, turn off the induction stove and let it cool for a little bit. Now the chocolate is pretty much melted. Add the chocolate mixture into the egg mixture and mix it all together in a smoothly paste. Add into the flour baking powder and a pinch of salt and mix it just quick together. Slowly want to put the flour mixture into the chocolate mixture bit by bit and mix it all firmly together. And then prepare a cake form. I buttered it, but you can use oil or non-stick spray and use some parchment paper before you butter it and oil it or non-stick spray it. The choice is yours to decide. And then add the entire brownie mixture into the cake form. And now gently lift the cake form and slap it on the ground very gently to erase any bubbles underneath, so no bubbles can solidify underneath the cake form. Preheat the oven over 180 degrees Celsius. And then put the brownie into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, now let's check if it's done. We're going to test it with a toothpick. If it's done, let's check if it's done or not. And yep, it's pretty much done. There it is. Before you get your hands on that brownie, let it cool completely for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's go for the big reveal here. and then serve one brownie piece on a plate. And my brownie was pretty well done. Well, it's not well done, it's a little bit fudgy, not too much. A little bit soft in the inside, in the core, but this is exactly what we want. A little bit soft here, a little bit moist, and this is like the best brownie that I ever made, I think. So I'm really happy about the end results. The brownie was really good. I ate it. It tasted like a brownie, it feels like a brownie, and it looks like a brownie. So it was very, very delicious. And well, how hard was it? I think the only hardest part was maybe melting the chocolate and the butter in a very consistent low temperature so that the aroma and the flavors won't burn off. So I chose a water bath instead of a heat bath or a microwave bath because I don't want to lose all the flavors. So yeah, that was the hardest part, I think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this episode. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. That will always help me and mean a lot to me. And yeah, see you in any next video.